I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Skoda Octavia. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, but on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has two previous keepers. It comes with a 2-litre diesel that gives you 148 horsepower. The car's done under 26,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.